Welcome to episode 2, Household Personal Income. Now, this is really important for you to understand. When you're looking at to try and really gain an insight onto what your spending habits are, it's always good to do a personal income household expenditure budget form. What does that mean? It simply means creating all of what's coming in and all of what's leaving. When you go through this, I want you to go through it meticulously. And that means putting down what you definitely know is coming in. Write down everything that is leaving your household. Now, this could be your food, electricity, gas, water, council tax, telephone bills, mobile, house telephone bills. It could be your internet. It could be anything associated with your outgoings for your household income. When you've written this down, which I've provided a PDF for you to do, then add it up and see how much you actually have going out each month. The next section would allow you to write down your creditors. So this could be your credit cards. This could be any loans that you have, personal loans, car loans. Put those down. Then the next section allows you to write down any debtors. So these are people that you're in debt with. It could be council tax you're in debt with. It could be a loan that you're in debt with. It could be missed mortgage payments, missed council tax payments. Put those down and add those up. When you deduct from what you know that's coming in and what's going out, then you'll see what you're actually left with. Now, if you're in a negative position, this is where you can then write to your creditors and say, hey, I actually cannot afford to pay back this debt. But in further episodes, I'll be showing you how to write to these creditors and what you must actually say in these letters to help you clear down this debt and not put you in a financially constrained way. When you're also looking at budgeting, always make sure that you're not adding in your coffees or your brand new shoes or things that you know that you cannot afford or that luxury holiday. Make sure you're only adding in the necessities in which you need to live. I know it sounds laborious and I know it could sound, well, I want to have a luxurious lifestyle and we'll get to that. But for now, I want you to be practical. When you're setting out your budget, only put down what you know you definitely need for you and your family. In the next episode, I will show you how to do this. I've created a PDF, so please head over, download the PDF and start filling in. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments in order that I can help you and assist you in filling this out correctly. I'll see you in the next episode.